Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day. Got this T-5R here, and it has a stuck caliper. It is eating through the rotor. Got some good wear in the rotor there. Pad's totally gone. I need to get this caliper and rotor replaced real quick. I didn't realize it had those nice center caps on there. I might need to borrow those. Anyway, let me go block this thing, jack it up, get that wheel off, and swap out that caliper. Look, I have a rotor right there. Yeah, this is pretty jacked up. And it's actually jacked up the braking stuff in there. I don't have a wrench to get that off, so I'm going to go purchase a tool, come back. Brake job's not going nowhere. I don't have the right tools. But I was able to replace the wiper stalk. It somehow snapped off. Totally snapped off. Now the one I just installed is for a wagon, so it has the rear wiper intermittent information, ability, switch function. I don't think that matters. This one does not because it's from a sedan. So I might swap it back to a sedan one, but I'm going to go get one out of the salvage yard here soon. Let me put this wheel back on the car here. I'm gonna head out to 2-stack jacks, grab a couple things, and then come back and do this after I get the right tool. Back to this braking system. Put some PB Blaster on this bolt. I got the right tool now. Let that sit for a couple minutes and try to get that bolt loose. Picked up a power torque tool from O'Reilly's. I kind of like them. They're thicker. They grip more of that nut. Hopefully it won't strip. So let me break this out of here. Try to get this nut loose. Work it back and forth. Get the line loose. Then knock the caliper off and go from there. I had my wire wheel cleaning the rotor off, and the thing ran out of battery juice, so I got the battery on the charger so I could finish cleaning that rotor up. Now I'm going to check in there. I might have some new rotors. I've seen some slotted and cross-drilled rotors, but I think they're for all-wheel drive vehicles. So let me see what I got and then finish cleaning this up so I can install it. Man, what a surprise. Somebody cross-threaded the brake line that went into this last caliper. So this caliper likely has damaged threads. Fortunate for me, I don't think I ordered this, but somebody sent me a tap kit. And I'm going to use this to clean up these threads. I just got to find the right size and get to work. I got this tool to measure the threads, but that may be messed up. I might have to measure the one that's on the car so I can get the right thread pitch. Man, this is a normal rotor, and this is the one I'm taking off. That thing's wore down probably half. Look how deep that groove is in there. That caliper looked like it was stuck on both sides. All right, let me go get my battery for my drill and finish cleaning that rust off of there and get this thing installed. That line went in there. It's a little tight, but I think it'll be okay. There it is, folks. Back together. That line that I pulled out of that caliper, it was cross-threaded, and this line went in the caliper funny, but I got it to stop leaking. So I'm going to check the fluid level and be done with this for tonight. But I cleaned all the surface rust off of there, but it's still pitted a little bit. But it should be good to go. I might do a brake job on this next week. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.